Hello and welcome to Rising Heritage Coins. I'm your host, Rising Heritage, and today I'm going to talk to you about two of my previous videos, and they were on the Type 2 silver and gold coins and whether or not they were errors. So I've had two comments down in the description from two different users saying that that the coins are not errors. So let me clarify what I meant by errors, and that's up next. Let's get into it. It is October 7th around 10 p.m. It is the release day of the American Eagle 2021 1-ounce gold uncirculated coin. It went on sale today at noon for $2,620. I did not attempt to buy this coin today because the premium just edged up a little bit higher than I was willing to pay. So, this coin right here is what I describe as an error coin. Now, in numismatics, error has a definite meaning, such as a double die obverse. This is not the error which I am speaking of. I am speaking of an error of misrepresentation. So I have linked my two previous error videos down in the description if you'd like to check those out. And I'll give a brief summary of what I was saying in those videos in the rest of this video. Now here is an image of a 1909 St. Gaudens double eagle. The double eagles were minted from 1907 to 1933. The 1909 version is basically the same as the 1907, minus the date, of course. So if you take a look at the blown up image in the top corner, you can see that the stars end right at the beginning of this rock. So that would equal 46 stars, which mirrored the 46 states that we had at the time of its creation in 1907. It was not until 1912 where we added two more states, I believe Oklahoma and Arizona, to give us 48 states. With this 1924 coin, you can see those two extra stars added past the rock. And it remained that way until 1933 when gold was confiscated. Here is the first version of the American Eagle from 1986. This is a really good strike, and you can easily see the four extra stars past the rock, which makes for 50 states. Here is the 2009 high relief version of the double eagle, St. Gaudens double eagle, which had the exact same reverse as the original double eagles. You know, not the family of eagles, but the single eagle in flight. It's a little bit harder to see, but there are four extra stars past that rock. Here is the 2021 Type 1 version, and you can see the four stars representing 50 states here. And finally, here is the 2021 Type 2 version, where it basically mirrors the original St. Gaudens with 46 stars, not representing all 50 of our states. This is a call to action. The American Gold Eagle should properly represent all of our states. We need your help to get that word out. You can help by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Or if you happen to know someone from the Mint, of course, that would be probably the best option, and make sure that they know that we're not representing all of our states. Or probably a little bit more likely, if you know a YouTuber with more reach than I do, make sure they get the word and they can make their own videos and help us out. Shout out to listener Jade Nepright, who clued me into the fact that the 2009 reissue of the St. Gaudens coin had 50 stars also. For the Type 2 2021 silver American Eagles, I do believe those are not in error, even though they do show the exact same obverse as far as the number of stars in the flag as it originally did in 1916, when the United States only had 48 states. So, by that very fact, what you're seeing on this flag now is a 48 star flag. But I don't have a problem with it because, number one, you can't see the entire flag. Number two, it's part of the artistic composition. In other words, it's basically a snapshot in time. Without Adolf Weinman there to actually change it, I would not want to change it. It's one of the most beautiful designs on any of the American coins that has ever been, in my humble opinion. So I really want to keep it exactly the way it is. The gold cone, on the other hand, I do not see each one of these stars as part of the artistic composition. I see each one of those stars representing one of our states. In my silver video, I did a slideshow showing the Walking Liberty, a 1986 Silver Eagle, and the two Type 1, Type 2 American Silver Eagles. And I just went back and forth between those, but I kind of zoomed in on that so you couldn't see the whole coin. So I've made an animated GIF so you can take a good look at that, the progression of all those coins, and you can basically see that, except for the initials added in the 2021 Type 2, that they basically did not change. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please hit that like and subscribe button and share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time.